News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, Kolkata, SD Adarsh Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya, Division of Agricultural Extension, ICAR, Indian Agricultural Research Institute, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Inland Waterways Authority of India, North Eastern Council Secretariat, Indian Council of Medical Research, National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, and Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices. Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, Kolkata, an academic institution under Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, invites applications from citizens of India for the following post on direct recruitment. 1 post of Dean, 1 post of Professor, Editing, expected vacancy, 1 post of Assistant Professor, Direction and Film History, 1 post of Animator, 1 post of Production Assistant. Last date for receipt of application is 60 days from the date of advertisement. For more details, log on to www.srfti.ac.in. SD Adarsh Sanskrit Mahavidyalaya invites applications for the following positions. 1 post of Principal, 1 post of Assistant Professor Darshan, and 1 post of Assistant Professor Hindi. Application containing details of academic qualification and experience should be sent to the concerned person within 30 days of advertisement appearing in the newspaper. Online interview for the position of 1 Senior Research Fellow for DBT-funded research project on skill building in nutrition-sensitive agriculture for empowerment of rural women will be held on 9th February 2021 at 10:30 a.m. by Division of Agricultural Extension, ICAR, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. For details and other terms and conditions, please visit IARI website www.iari.res.in. Eligible candidates may appear along with their original certificates and documents related to their education and experience. Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, a central university established by an Act of Parliament, invites online applications from eligible Indian citizens and overseas citizens of India for various teaching positions. Closing date of submission of online application form is 31st January 2021 and the last date of receiving the hard copy is 14th February 2021. Other necessary details and online application form are available on the university website www.igntu.ac.in. Now let's talk about the vacancies in Inland Waterways Authority of India. Inland Waterways Authority of India invites online applications for filling up of 8 posts of Accounts Assistant on direct recruitment basis. The posts have all India transfer liability. Interested candidates possessing requisite qualifications and experience may submit applications online using link which shall be available in the IWAI website, that is www.iwai.nic.in. Last date for payment of application fee and submission of online application is 14th February 2021, 23:59 hours. Detailed advertisement shall be available on IWAI website www.iwai.nic.in. North Eastern Council Secretariat is looking for the services of suitable officers for filling up 1 post of Draftsman Grade 1 on deputation basis. Duties and responsibilities of the post are to create technical drawings based on given specifications and calculations, make necessary calculations for drawing development, transform AutoCAD drawings into 3D drawings, estimating construction cost, check plans, maintenance of TNC library and records, and to perform other duties and responsibilities as may be assigned from time to time by the sectoral head. Cadre authorities and head of departments are requested to forward applications of eligible and willing candidates whose services can be sparred on deputation basis immediately on selection so as to reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. For details, candidates are advised to visit the website necouncil.gov.in. Candidates applying for the post would not be allowed to withdraw their candidature subsequently. Now let's talk about Indian Council of Medical Research and the vacancies in it. Indian Council of Medical Research is an autonomous organization under the Department of Health Research, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. Indian Council of Medical Research, ICMR, New Delhi, is the apex body in India for the formulation, coordination and promotion of biomedical research. It is one of the oldest medical research bodies in the world. ICMR has always attempted to address itself to the growing demands of scientific advances in biomedical research on the one hand and to the need of finding practical solutions to the health problems of the country on the other. Translating research into action for improving the health of the population is its vision. Indian Council of Medical Research invites applications up to 26 February 2021 from eligible employees of central government, state government, autonomous body and PSU for filling up the following post on deputation basis, initially for a period of 3 years but renewable every 1 year for the institutes of ICMR, which may be curtailed or extended further in the interest of administrative exigencies with the approval of the competent authority. 2 posts of administrative officer, 5 posts of section officer, 1 post of accounts officer and 3 posts of accounts officer junior grade. For detailed information and application form etc., please visit ICMR website main.icmr.nic.in. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes invites applications for filling up of 4 vacant posts of Upper Division Clerks UDC on deputation basis in its headquarters at New Delhi and 6 regional offices located in Bhopal, Bhubaneswar, Jaipur, Raipur, Ranchi and Shillong. Applications in the prescribed format along with copies of requisite documents should reach the concerned authority within 60 days of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Details of eligibility criteria may be seen on the website www.ncst.nic.in. With reference to Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices advertisement published in Employment News dated 31st October to 6th November 2020 for filling up 1 post of Superintendent in Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices, an attached office under the Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare on deputation basis, last date for submission of applications has been extended up to 15th February 2021. Details of the post and eligibility conditions are available on Commission for Agricultural Cost and Prices website cacp.dacnet.nic.in and Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare's website www.agricoop.nic.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.